So I'm about to start packing an order. Um, and then happy Tuesday. I'm just putting on some hand sanitizer. I'm packing this order from a girl that we met in an awkward situation. But the fact that she's like somebody loyal, she just like literally saw my business and went in and just ordered. So I just put on some hand sanitizer and I'm gonna take some wipes. Those are some order packaging stuff that I got from Amazon. I still have to do an unboxing video from using this watch to sanitize. Hey, how are you doing, Dreamy Cat Cosmetics? Hey, Blink Away 25, how are you doing? So we're basically going to be packing up an order from a customer. And it's going to be real quick. My Cricut is actually cutting some labels. So if you do have your own lip gloss business, you could hit me up for some labels and we could talk price depending on the amount of labels that you need. So hit me up. But yeah, I could show you guys some new stuff that I'm working on because it looks like we all in here are business people. So I literally have these cases. I know you guys have seen it with a lot of people, but like I literally customize it. So in this case, we literally gonna have like just the matching stuff. Hey Beauty is she Cosmetics. So in this case, I'll take everything out. So it's basically a simple case. If you want to order this, let me know. Also, I think I'm gonna do it wholesale too. So it's just a simple case, and my Cricut made this. I'm gonna do different styles. I have the Chanel too. So just stay tuned. If you're interested in it and you want it wholesale, you could get it. So I have the case like this, and all I do is like I put a matching headband in it. So let me fold it back. I put like a matching headband with it, and I just place it in here. And I just place it in here. Then I have like a matching lip gloss and my clear lip gloss, and I just lay it in there. And they get like a scrunchie that do match the case. And there they get a hairpin, whatever hairpin I have, I give it to them. Then they get the same lip scrub in the same color as what is in their container or their package. Then I just close it up and send it. I don't know like how much to charge people for this. If you have any idea, let me know. But I just have this. So she's gonna get this case because like I said, the way we met each other was just awkward, and she just placed an order at my shop. So I do appreciate her. So we're gonna go ahead and pack in her order. So she ordered some lashes. She ordered some lashes. One was CEO. Let me back up a little bit. One was CEO. Can you see? One was CEO. Hey, V Coop 300. One was CEO. The other one was You Better Work. And the other one is Boss Babe. So she ordered 3 pairs. And what I did was I gave her like a little kit. So it has lash glue. It has eyelash applicator, and it has an under eye mask. So that comes with that, and I'm gonna toss in this case for her for free. Hey Alsbrook, I hope I'm not saying it wrong. Then she also ordered this dress. It's the tie-dye dress. I think is on my website and on my Instagram. If you look through it, she ordered a 1X. So normally I do not ship out with the packaging that I get from my vendor. I actually put it in a plastic like this. So I get like a plastic like this. Fold the clothes. It's already fold, but just make it to fit in the bag. So the tie-dye dress. So it has like a little plastic stringy thing for you to do the adhesive. So like this, and I'm just gonna put the sizing on top. It's in a size XL. So I'm just gonna put the XL on it. Hey Barbina, how are you? We're just packing up an order for pickup. So since my business colors are red, gold, black, and white, so I got this red pickup order gift bag. So what I do is I just place the order in. So she has the 1X dress. I'll put it underneath. Then she got the pretty lashes, You Better Work, Boss Babe, and CEO. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on the side. And I also gave her, well, basically if you order some lashes, I give you the glue, the lash applicator, the eyelash brush, and the under eye mask. So that's what is in here in this kit. Then, like I said, I'm throwing this in for free to her because of the situation we met at, and she decided to place in an order. It's just a regular girl just supporting another Boss Babe business. So in this kit we have a hair clip, we have the Milani lip gloss, we have the rose clear lip gloss, and then we have a lip scrub of that same color, and we also have a scrunchie and a bandana. If you watch the video from the beginning, you're gonna see like I took everything apart, but this is everything in there, and that's it. I'm also going to be introducing this to my website. I'm still trying to figure out how much I would charge somebody for this, and I'm still trying to figure out if they want to choose their colors that they want for their package, like what they want in there. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.